Good day, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Center. Here's what we are looking at this Tuesday afternoon. Rain and thunderstorms can be expected over the eastern parts of the country. On the other hand, it's going to be sunny and hot across the western sections. And on Wednesday, we should see more thunderstorms over parts of the interior. In the meantime, here's a look at the most recent satellite picture where we are seeing cloud-free skies at the moment over the western and central areas. But further east, we have a lot of rain-bearing clouds covering parts of the Eastern Cape, much of KwaZulu-Natal, as well as eastern Mpumalanga and Limpopo. We also have some storm clouds starting to develop over the northeastern sections. Now, here's what you can expect for the rest of your Tuesday. Sunny and hot weather is forecast for the western areas, and we are going to see isolated to scattered thunderstorms starting from the eastern areas of the Northern Cape and pushing down into the Eastern Cape. Then during the course of the afternoon, the storms will be spreading eastwards into the Northwest and Free State and also reaching KwaZulu-Natal this evening. We should see a bit of drizzle tonight over the Mpumalanga and Limpopo escarpment areas, and we're also going to see some cloud creeping into the southern parts of the country this evening. Now, this afternoon, you can expect scattered thunderstorms where you see the dark shade of blue over the northwestern areas as well as over the southeastern interior. Between a 20 and 40% chance of rain and thunderstorms is forecast where you see the lighter shades of blue. Now, you will need to watch out for severe thunderstorms that could produce large hail and damaging winds this afternoon, where you see the shade of amber cutting across the central parts of the country. We also have a warning in place for high fire danger across much of the northern and western Cape provinces. Now, with that, here's a look at top temperatures for your Tuesday afternoon. It's going to be sizzling hot for much of the Northern Cape. Upington shooting to 42 degrees, 37 for DR and Kimberley. A little bit cooler as we go towards the northeastern sections. Mahikeng peaking at 35. Cooler in Gauteng, where temperatures in the lower 30s are forecast for Johannesburg and Pretoria. We are expecting highs in the upper 20s and lower 30s across much of KwaZulu-Natal. Pietermaritzburg should peak at around 25. Temperatures in the mid-20s are also focused around East London, Port Elizabeth and George. Cape Town is going to be hot, peaking at around 32 degrees this afternoon. Now, we're expecting light to moderate winds across much of South Africa. Fresh winds are forecast, however, around DR. It's going to be rather breezy between East London and Port Elizabeth, where winds gusting to between 35 and 40 kilometers per hour are expected this afternoon. Lighter winds for the KZN coastal areas and a moderate south to southeasterly breeze is forecast around the Cape Peninsula. Now, on Wednesday, we are going to see thunderstorms extending from the Northern Cape down into the Eastern Cape. It's going to be mostly sunny and hot in KwaZulu-Natal. Hot weather also returns into the Gauteng province. Then on Thursday, we are going to see thunderstorms across much of South Africa, mostly sunny and hot in Cape Town.